Good morning. If you see Google Play Store, which we all know, so Google Play Store directly has a monopoly on this app business, because you can say that yes, Apple has got also an app store called iOS store, but in majority in India and around the world, people consumer use Android phones, and Android phone by default has this Google App Store, and with the help of Google App Store we download lots of apps. So, and in this way Google plays an monopoly in this business, and at the same time Google earns a huge amount of money. Now, this monopoly of Google, and somehow not so big, but this Apple store, it's not Apple, you cannot say too much monopoly, but Google App Store, Google Play Store's monopoly is not good, because Google recently has said that they are going to impose, or they are going to charge 30% fees, 30% fees, or you can say 30% commission on in-app purchase. Google said that they are going to charge 30% fees on in-app purchase. Now I will say what is in-app purchase. Before that, let me tell you, in India around 90 to 95% of the consumer uses Android phone, and the Android phone has got this Android operating system, and with that operating system they get the default this Google Play Store, and they download, and we can download YouTube and everything's are there in the Google Play Store. So as in India, maximum consumer Android, they use Android phones, they get Google Play Store. Now, when you download any app, for example, if you download Gaana, for example, if you are downloading Gaana, after downloading Gaana app, they will say okay, whether you want to subscribe this app for 6 months or 1 year. For that you will have to pay a subscription charge of 300 or 400 rupees, etc. So this is called in-app purchase. This is called in-app purchase, where there is a money involved in it. Now Google is saying that Google will charge 30% fees on in-app purchase, the purchase which is happening with the help of through Google Play Store, and transaction is happening through Google Play Store. So Google is going to charge 30% fees on in-app purchase. So this is a very good jump. Its jump is too high. Now this if a Google and that this 30% fees which Google is planning to charge, they will charge from next year September 2021. They are going to charge 30% fees on this in-app purchase. So this shows that Google has got a monopoly, Google can do anything. Now if 30% fees is charged, it will be charged on the developer, the developer of the app, and when the developer of the app will be charged 30% fees, ultimately it will come to the consumer. For example, if you are subscribing Gaana for 300 rupees, from next year when your new subscription, you will have to go for new subscription, then then the subscription charge will increase. So this is not good, because if Google should have increased this fees by 5%, then slowly to 10%, 15%. Slowly Google could have done this, but no, Google has taken a wide jump of 30%, which are not looked by other app developers around the globe. At the same time, if the app developers has to pay good amount to Google as a fee, then the profit margin will not be that much. And when the profit margin will not be that much, ultimately what happens, the app developer will not be able to do innovative things in the app. They will not be able to update the app because the profit margin will come down. अगर 100 में 30% अगर यूएस को गूगल को देगा, out of 130 rupees if Google takes, then they will not be able to, the profit margin will not be so high and the developer will suffer. And at the same time, if you see recently Paytm was removed. कुछ दिन पहले हमने देखा Paytm को कुछ घंटे के लिए रिमूव कर दिया गया था this Google Play Store से. Paytm was removed from Google Play Store for few hours, and Google said कि Paytm has violated some rules, some gambling or something like that. This happened through Paytm, which violates the Google's rule. But after that, Paytm came back. So this is happening. And I would like to tell you, this 30% fees on in-app purchase is not only applicable in India, but it will apply to entire globe. Means if you are staying in France or any place or US or wherever you and if you do some transaction, the in-app purchase you are purchasing, if you are downloading an app and you are going for subscription, you will that app developer will have to pay 30% fees, which will come to ultimately the user, the consumer has to bear. So this kind of atmosphere, Google at the same time Apple is trying to do. They are trying to earn money from around the world, because Apple is this Google Play Store is a market leader in the matter of this app business. So this is the right time, and government of India is trying to develop app Google Play Store like or as an alternative to Google, or you can say an alternative to Apple iOS. So Indian government may come up with its own Play Store like Google, or you can say like Apple, so that this monopoly business can be stopped, and it's going to be a Atmanirbhar app store. It sounds very good. Now what is the what can be the drawbacks, or what is the good things, I will tell you. First of all, it's a very good move if Indian government is planning to take and seriously, because it will give a boost to Atmanirbhar Bharat. At the same time, challenges is that huge amount of capital is required. If you want to develop a Google Play Store like तो पैसा बहुत खर्चा होगा, huge amount of money is required. Indian government can tell the private owners to come together, the private companies, big businessmen who earns good amount of money around the globe, Indian government can tell them that you contribute, the private sector contribute, and also government will also contribute. So both will, the private fund and the government fund will join together. Then they can come out with a app store, or you can say like a Google Play Store, like Indian government can come up. So पैसे की बहुत the Indian government required huge amount of money. The money should come from private sector plus government fund. But एक बात और है कि if government money is involved in developing the app store, अगर government का पैसा involved होता है कोई app store इतना Google type का Google Play Store की तरह बनाने में, if Indian government is investing money and it's a government attached to it, then there can be a chances of जासूसी का एक एलिगेशन लग भी सकता है, क्योंकि आप देखोगे Arogya Setu app, when the Indian government has developed this Arogya Setu app, there was a issue कि भाई इस ऐप के माध्यम से जासूसी इंडियन गवर्नमेंट कर रहे हैं, तो ये this can also come up to play. So to avoid this jasusi concept, Indian government can pass a law in the parliament so that this app can the political parties or the people will not raise finger with the Atmanirbhar Bharat app. So paisa, capital is needed. Indian government should come up, should tell the private people plus government should join hand together to create the huge fund which we needed. At the same time, the law should be passed so that this app should not be used for jasusi के लिए नहीं होगा. ये सबको ये ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा, because once we started downloading this app, the government will have the everything, the app will have every data or information about that individual. So we need to see what happen in coming months, but as of now Indian government is planning something is going, Narendra Modi ji is something going in the back of his mind, and we might see Atmanirbhar Bharat app soon, and it's going to be an alternative to Google or an Apple app which are trying to play a monopoly in the market. Thank you very much.